In this video, you will learn about how to write an email introducing yourself to a coworker. Since you are writing to a colleague, you can begin with a "Hey" if you want to sound casual. If you are writing to a colleague who's a senior, you may want to begin the email in a formal manner. The purpose of your email can clearly state if you have been introduced to them previously or if you have seen them around at the workplace. The body of the email should have an explanation of what your intention or goal is. Close your email with a call to action. End your email with your signature. We hope you have now understood how to write an email to introduce yourself to a coworker.